Remember when you could grab a full grocery cart for 50 bucks? Now it feels like that same 50 only gets you a single bag of chips and a half-eaten banana. What's going on? It's not just you. Prices are soaring, and your money just isn't stretching as far as it used to. Let's be real, that sinking feeling when you check your bank account and realize your hard-earned cash buys less and less is frustrating. Imagine working just as hard, but your paycheck secretly shrinking in value every single day. That's the invisible force we're talking about. But don't worry, you're not helpless. By the end of this super quick video, you'll understand exactly what's happening to your money and, more importantly, learn practical ways to protect it. We'll turn that frustration into financial power, starting right now. So what exactly is inflation? Simply put, inflation is when the prices of pretty much everything you buy start to creep up over time. It means your money doesn't stretch as far as it used to, making things feel more expensive. Think of it this way: last year, you might have bought a tasty loaf of bread for $2. Now that same exact loaf might cost you $2.20. That extra 20 cents, that's inflation at play, making your grocery bill a little higher. It's not just bread though. Inflation is a general increase across the board for goods and services. This also means that the purchasing power of your money goes down. Each dollar simply buys you less than it did before. So if you had $100 a year ago, it could buy a certain basket of goods. With 5% inflation, you'd now need $105 to buy that same exact basket of goods. Your money itself hasn't changed, but what it can get you has shrunk. So why does inflation happen in the first place? Well, imagine everyone suddenly got a surprise check for $1,000. Everyone is feeling rich and wants to buy that cool new toy. But here's the catch: there are only 10 new toys available in the whole town. With so much money chasing so few toys, what do you think happens? That's right, the toy shop owner realizes they can charge a lot more, and people will still pay. This idea of too much money chasing too few goods is one big reason for inflation. Another cause can be when the cost to produce things goes up. If it costs more to make that bread, the store has to charge you more for it. So how does inflation really hit your wallet? Imagine if inflation is cruising at 5% per year. This means that an item costing $100 today will cost around $105 next year. In simpler terms, your $100 will only buy what $95 would buy today. That's a direct hit to your purchasing power. You literally get less for the same amount of money. This can feel like your cash is silently shrinking right before your eyes, making it harder to afford the things you need and want. Now think about your savings. If you have money sitting in a basic savings account earning a tiny 0.5% interest while inflation is at 5%, your money is actually losing value every single day. Your bank balance might look the same, but what it can buy is steadily decreasing. It's like filling a leaky bucket. You're putting money in, but inflation is quietly draining its buying power away. Understanding this is key to making smarter decisions with your hard-earned cash. So, how do you fight back against this money-shrinking monster? The key is to make your money work harder for you. You want your savings and investments to grow at a rate that's greater than inflation. Think of it this way: if inflation is munching away at 5% of your money's value each year, a regular savings account earning only 0.5% interest isn't just treading water, it's actively losing you purchasing power. Your money is slowly shrinking. The goal is to find places for your money that can outrun inflation. If you can get a savings account or investment that earns, say, 6% interest, when inflation is at 5%, you're actually gaining value and protecting your hard-earned cash. It's about being strategic. Don't just let your money sit there idly. Seek out options that offer a better return. This simple habit can make a huge difference in preserving and growing your financial future. So what's your next move? Remember, inflation is like a sneaky little monster nibbling away at your money's buying power. But the good news is, you're not helpless against it. Smart choices can absolutely protect your hard-earned cash. Your first step today: check your savings account's interest rate. Seriously, right after this video, peek at that number. If it's super low like 5%, you're probably losing value to inflation. Knowing is half the battle. Now you can explore options that actually help your money grow faster than prices. Even a small change can make a big difference over time. We'll keep breaking down money basics for you, so hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what's one money habit you're curious about. Next, we're here to make finances simple.